Today you have police, fire, sheriffs, a lot of the companies from the business community, and a lot of local volunteers coming together to stuff backpacks to give out to approximately 50 to 60 schools here in Fairfax County.
They get a backpack and it's filled with school supplies like glue sticks and pencils and notebooks, different things like that. And the kids come and they get to pick out the right color that they want that matches their personality.
We want to make sure these kids have the tools they need to succeed. So we know that there's 50 to 60 schools here in Fairfax County that are Title I schools. 30 to 35% of those kids are on free or reduced lunch. So we wanted to help those schools.
Providing backpacks filled with supplies is a game changer for many of our students because our children are able to come and pick up a backpack, and it makes them feel special about starting school at the beginning of the year.
We do have an enforcement part of our job. That's our main mission for the police department, but we also like to do things that make people feel good. It also makes us feel good, you know, when we're able to put that smile on that face. These children may not have a backpack otherwise, and when we're able to walk them through and help them pick out the best one, I mean, you can't beat that feeling.
When I grew up, I did not see police officers and firefighters that looked like me, you know, so I wanted to bring everybody together so they can see that, hey, we're here to help you not only doing when you call 911, but outside of that, we're here to help you as well. And we want you to understand that you can do this also. You can be a firefighter, a police officer, or a sheriff. You can work in public safety.
Frankly, it's good for our economy to have a well-educated group of students who are able to graduate from high school and either go on to college, go into the trades, or have career certifications that they can immediately begin contributing to our economy, which is so important here in Fairfax County.